Looking for the best gaming mice of 2025? Whether you're a professional sports player or a casual gamer, we've got the top picks that combine speed, precision, and comfort. In today's countdown, we'll dive into the top 5 gaming mice that will take your gameplay to the next level. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. Let's get started. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the Lamzu Thorn wireless gaming mouse, a true contender in the ultra-lightweight gaming mouse category. Weighing in at just 52 grams, this mouse is designed for gamers who value speed and precision. The 26,000 dpi sensitivity ensures that you'll have pinpoint accuracy, whether you're aiming for headshots or pulling off quick maneuvers. What sets the Lamzu Thorn apart from others is its ergonomic design, offering both comfort and control during those extended gaming sessions. The optical switch provides a satisfying click response while maintaining durability, and the silver TTC encoder elevates the performance, ensuring smooth, responsive tracking. Powered by the PW3395 sensor and MCU Nordic 52840 chip, the mouse is built for ultra-fast reaction times, making it ideal for competitive gaming. Additionally, it's 4K compatible, ensuring it supports your high-performance gaming setup. If you're looking for a lightweight yet powerful mouse to enhance your gaming experience, the Lamzu Thorn wireless gaming mouse is certainly a top choice for 2025. Number 4, the HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 wireless gaming mouse is designed for gamers who demand precision and comfort without compromising on performance. Weighing just 61 g, it's ultra-lightweight, allowing for fast, fluid movements that can make all the difference in your gameplay. Whether you're playing FPS or MOBA games, its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during long gaming sessions. Equipped with dual wireless connectivity, the Pulsefire Haste 2 offers both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth options, giving you flexibility and a reliable connection without the clutter of cables. The precision sensor features a 16,000 dpi, providing you with fast, accurate tracking so every click counts. With an impressive 100-hour battery life, you can game for extended hours without worrying about recharging, making it perfect for marathon sessions. Plus, the RGB lighting adds a customizable flair, allowing you to personalize your setup. If you're looking for a lightweight, high-performance gaming mouse that combines speed and accuracy, the HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 is the one to beat. The Razer DeathAdder V3 hyperspeed wireless gaming mouse is engineered for ultimate performance, designed to meet the needs of competitive gamers. Weighing just 55 g, this ultra-lightweight mouse allows for quick, effortless movements, giving you that competitive edge during intense gameplay. Equipped with Razer's hyperspeed wireless technology, you get a 2.4 GHz wireless connection with incredibly low latency, ensuring that your every move is registered with pinpoint precision. Boasting a 26K dpi optical sensor, the DeathAdder V3 offers precise tracking that adapts to your playstyle. With Gen 3 optical switches, you'll experience faster response times and a more durable, click-sensitive feel. It also features 8 programmable controls, allowing you to tailor the mouse to your specific preferences, whether you're assigning macros, hotkeys, or DPI adjustments for quick access during gameplay. The USB-C charging ensures a quick power-up, and the up to 100-hour battery life guarantees extended gaming sessions without interruptions. Available in sleek black, the Razer DeathAdder V3 is perfect for gamers seeking performance, comfort, and reliability. Number 2, the Logitech G PRO X Superlight 2 is an exceptional wireless gaming mouse designed for both professional and casual gamers. With Lightspeed wireless technology, it offers ultra-low latency and an impressive 8K polling rate, ensuring every move you make is registered instantly, giving you a competitive advantage. Weighing in at just 63 grams, this mouse is incredibly lightweight, allowing for fast and precise movements without any drag. Equipped with the advanced Hero 2 sensor, the G PRO X Superlight 2 delivers up to 44,000 dpi and a lightning-fast 888 IPS inches per second tracking speed, making it ideal for high-speed gaming sessions. Lightforce hybrid switches combine the best of both optical and mechanical switches, providing a tactile yet responsive click experience. Customization is key, and the 5 programmable buttons allow you to assign macros or commands to fit your playstyle. It's powered by USB-C charging, ensuring a quick recharge when needed. Compatible with PC and Mac, the Logitech G PRO X Superlight 2 is built for gamers who demand peak performance. Number 1. The Razer Basilisk V3 Pro wireless gaming mouse is a game-changer for any serious gamer. Featuring a 30K DPI optical sensor, it offers pinpoint accuracy for the most precise tracking, giving you a competitive edge. The Hyper-Scroll tilt will provide seamless scrolling, allowing you to easily navigate through menus and quickly shift between in-game actions. You can feel the difference with Gen 3 optical switches that deliver ultra-fast response times, ensuring every click is immediate. A standout feature is the 13-zone Chroma RGB, which lets you fully customize your mouse with vibrant colors, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The 13 programmable controls allow for ultimate personalization, making it perfect for executing complex maneuvers in fast-paced games. This mouse is versatile with 3 connection modes: Razer Hyperspeed Wireless, Bluetooth, and Wired. It's designed to work seamlessly with both PC and Mac, making it a top choice for those seeking both style and performance. If you want the best in precision and customization, the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro is the way to go. And that's a wrap on our countdown of the best gaming mice for 2025. Whether you're aiming for precision, speed, or comfort, there's something here for every gamer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next video.